In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Slack. If you've reached a point where it's time to clean up and remove a workspace that you no longer use on Slack, you've come to the right place. Whether you're trying to declutter your workspace list or perhaps phasing out an old team setup, deleting a workspace is a manageable task, and I'll guide you through it step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, you'll want to start by opening Slack and signing into the workspace you wish to delete. Once you're in, take a moment to ensure you're logged in as the workspace primary owner. Remember, this action can only be performed by the person who holds this specific role. If you're the primary owner, great, let's continue. If not, you'll need to request this individual to perform the deletion or transfer the primary ownership to you. Now that you've confirmed your access rights, navigate to the workspace name at the top left of your Slack interface. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Administration, then choose Workspace Settings. You'll find yourself on the Workspace Settings page. Here, you'll notice a variety of options, but for our focus today, look for the Settings tab. Scroll down the Settings page until you find the Delete Workspace section. Take a deep breath and ensure you're ready to proceed because deleting a workspace is irreversible. Once you're confident, click the button that says Delete Workspace. Slack will prompt you with a confirmation dialog outlining the implications of this action. It's quite helpful as it reminds you that all the content in this workspace, including messages and files, will be permanently removed. Make sure you've backed up any important information before moving further. To finalize the deletion, you'll need to re-enter your password to verify your identity. This extra layer of security is for your protection, ensuring that such a significant action isn't taken by accident. After entering your password, go ahead and click Yes, delete my workspace. And there you have it. With these steps, the workspace is now permanently deleted from Slack. It's straightforward once you get the hang of it, but do take this task seriously, as there's no going back once it's done. Keep in mind for future endeavors to manage workspace retention and deletion judiciously. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment or reach out for support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and guides. Until next time, happy collaborating on Slack, and keep your digital spaces organized.